Chris Barron with the O's Galloway Real Estate Group here, my latest listing. Unit 16, 267 Corfield Street in Parksville in Cedar Village. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse with 2 parking spots and a storage unit. Best thing? No age restrictions. So come on, let's go check this place out.